Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I've got a brand new passive income stream video, and this is going to be with Proxyrack. I tried to sign up for this account with them for the past couple of weeks, and it's taken quite a while to get through to the registration process because they've had quite a massive inload and they was having some technical issues. But now the server is, and the website as well, is fully back up and running, and you're able to register and make yourself an account. So all you really need to do is just sign up through the link that I'll leave in the description for you. Once you've actually signed up and registered yourself an account, press on the download peer client, install, and then once this is installed on your computer, all you need to do is press copy, go to your devices, type in the name of your device, which this one is the main PC one, and then press add device, and that will be added to your devices list, and then you'll be able to start to earn passively from this website. Now I do really believe that this one does earn quite a good bit of income. I've earned some 4p so far, which, and I've only had this up for just for a few moments. I do believe that some of the videos that I've seen on previous people that have made some income on here, they've said that this is something that's quite profitable and you can earn a steady bit of passive income. So like I said, download the peer client, link your devices, and then get your information filled in. I'm not fully sure on the payout system and what they use for paying out, whether it's PayPal or whether they use any of the former method. But once I do reach the $5 payout minimum, I will make a video just to show the payout proof. But like I say, I have seen other people do this before, and I have been referred myself to this. So as I say, sign up for the referral link, and hopefully this will end up being a profitable venture for all of us. See you in the next video.